Hey guys, it's your Sir Gab. Today is the first day of my second semester and my last semester as a college student. Ito na yung pinakahuling sem before graduation. Our class started from 7 a.m. up until 7 p.m. Pero may break naman in between. Just like this, it's my break time, therefore I have time to do anything like reading and writing. Sipagsipagan lang dahil nga it's my free time and wala akong magawa. Kaysa naman matulog ako, ito na lang yung mga ginagawa ko. Pagkatapos ko magsulat-sulat, bumaba ako para kumain ng lunch. Late na for lunch, pero late na rin kasi ako kumain ng breakfast. At ngayon pa lang din ako nakaramdam ng gutom. May dalang siomay sena, kaya yun na lang ang inulam namin. Pagkatapos namin kumain, bumalik na agad kami ng library. This is my friends. They are all math majors at ako lang ang English major sa amin. CR check muna tayo before heading to my next class. Mabilis na natatapos yung mga klase ko ngayon dahil orientation pa lang namin. And next week will be the actual class. Going back to the library while waiting for my last class dahil dun lang aircon. Parang kanina lang sobrang init at ngayon bumababa na yung araw. Palagi kong dala yung electric fan ko dahil mainit sa campus. At dito sa room namin, nandito yung sinag ng araw. While waiting for our professor, chill lang tayo at nakita namin na may CCTV pala dito sa room. Medyo social tong room na to. Yun nga lang, yung CCTV, naka-print lang. Nilalabanan ko na yung antok ko by this time. Gustong-gusto ko nang humiga sa kama. Hindi kinakaya ng mga electric fan sa room yung init. Pero laban lang dahil this will be my fourth and last class for today. Pumasok tayo ng maaga at may liwanag at syempre, uuwi tayo ng gabi at madilim na. That's all. It's your Sir Gab. Follow for more.